Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to retrain a player in new position in Football Manager Mobile 2024. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game. Still confused how you can create your own tactics, how you can manage a club, player and its finance. Let's get started. We can tap the Manchester United club. As you can see, I'm managing Manchester United. Tap the first team player. So this is a list of my first team player. So I want to retrain position one of my player. For example, a Tyrol Malaysia left back. So I want to retrain into a right back by tap this action button and this one, retrain position. You can tap it. So you can choose the right back, and also you can pick the roles here. For example, inverted wing back. You tap confirm. So Tyrell Malaysia will retrain the right back position. So all you have to do is wait the time. So this game will tell you that Tyrell Malaysia will finish the training. This one is Tyrell Malaysia enjoying training to play in a new role. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. Enjoy the game.